Quant broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see, Quant had made a major move retesting the lows of $99. So what's next for Quant? Well, there's a few things I want to talk about. Number one, of course, is the fact that you can see once we broke this 112 support level, we had a massive move to the downside. I mentioned this to you guys many times in many videos, the fact that this 112 level acts as a very strong resistance as well as a very strong support level for Quant overall. Right now, we are retesting this $99 mark, so I would be looking for a possible retest around these wicks here at $94 and possibly even seeing a break formation leading down to our overall support at 87. As you guys know from previous price analysis, the $87 mark does act as a very strong support level on the daily, which I'll go ahead and show you guys, but I did want to talk about the 4-hour as of right now. In terms of the 4 hours, you can see that we are pretty much entering the oversold area, and the fact that we are rejecting these exponential moving averages. You can see that every time Quant has a bullish engulfing candle, we have a very clean rejection candle pushing to the downside. What we're looking for on a bullish case scenario, of course, is if we do have a double bottom formation and we actually do get another wick to the downside, we would be looking for a strong V-shaped formation trying to break above this 112 resistance, finding it as support, and then the continuation. Getting above this 112 level is going to be very crucial, but of course our major level of resistance that is a big factor is the 120 mark. The reason why the 120 level is so important, you can see that Quant tried to break above this level 3 times and failed before we actually continued pushing lower. From a bearish case scenario, of course, if we can't hold the $87 level, you guys already know my next extreme level would be around the $42. And if we go over on the daily time frame, we're starting to get a better understanding of exactly what is happening. You can see that Quant already tested the $99 level multiple times over here in September before we had this massive run up. And right now we are testing the same support level. Ideally, what we're looking for is that break of that formation. You can see we had the exact same move set over here, and once again we had another move set right over here. We actually tested that 112 as resistance, got the confirmation, and then the move to the downside. This is why I mentioned the fact that this $87 level is very important on the daily time frame. But I do want to point out the fact that you guys can see I still have the circles drawn from yesterday. This would become the third test opportunity on the $87 mark. If we do see the third test, we usually see a break of this formation, which is why I do believe we could be looking at an extreme case of $42 for a capitulation effect. Now, in terms of the lower time frames for Quant, you can see we are pretty much right below these exponential moving averages, still using them as a perfect form of resistance and slowly laddering this position to the downside. We are still creating new lower lows as we come down, so there's absolutely no reason to be entering a long position until we get a confirmation break above of these exponential moving averages, use them as support, and then the continuation. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.